Hello everyone. Today on this lecture we discuss the difference between the research and problem solving. Both are come under the structure methods of acquiring knowledge, but few of the sense they are quite different. So in this lecture we discuss the what are the point it will be differ to each other that will be discussed in this lecture. So first, research. So research is an acquire of new knowledge or insight. So insight means reason. We are deeply study the subject or deeply we find the solution. We gather the knowledge, and after that we have a vision of that particular problem. So that is called research. So it's take an example. Now in 2023, the CAR-T immunotherapy is launched in India. It is the best. It's giving a best result in treating the patient who have suffered with cancer. So this is the 23 is launched in India. But if you see the story of this how this therapy is developed, so we will find in 1987 by some of the scientists in the Japanese, they first this CRT therapy, this concept was created, and after number of study in 2010 they have a clinical trial that takes place, and after successful clinical trial it can be approved by the FDA, that is the Food and Drugs Authority, who gives approval to the drugs, and after that in India it is launched in 2023. So many years after that this become a approval, this theory or this model of treating, that is CART, that is the chimeric antigen receptor T cells, that is the therapy is approved for the treating the cancer patient. So this is in research. Previously there is no any such type of model or a therapy is not be created for treating the cancer patient, but this therapy is a good, giving a good result for treating the patient. So this knowledge was previously, this knowledge was not discovered, so it is discovered, now it is discovered. So this is called research. Okay, and how this research will be carried out? So there are a number of steps there to carry out a research. Let's see what are the steps. First, they define the research problem. So we have to select the problem that is not this problem is unknown to everyone. You are searching that to take that type of feasible topic. So this is called a problem. Next, review of the literature. We study on if any publication or any knowledge related to that topic, so that is called a review of literature. Formulating the hypothesis, that is the predictions. Next, select appropriate methodology. So in this methodology that will become the sampling technique and design and sample method that we will discuss in the later class. Next, collection of data, then interpret the data, then conclusion. After that we will reach to a theory or a model. Next, it is in scientific. In throughout the all steps, there is a scientific inquiry is carried out. So scientific inquiry, and fourth one, it is a long-term process. So it is take from few months to the years also, and it is a rigorous and a broader. So it is rigorous means it is strictly carried out, and it is a broad sector. After it will take many years, but after that, what the result? The cancer treatment for the treating for the cancer, the therapy is well, and that will be helpful not to the patient only, and it will be helpful in the medical sector or in technology. So it is help in broader sector. Okay, so it is a broader. Next, it's define theory and the model, that is the outcome. So here what do we get after the long process of research? We get a model or got a theory, or you discover a new things that is not revealed previously. So that is the research, or in one sense you say it is expanding our knowledge of our understanding of the world. So many facts are still present, though these are not discovered. What is the actual cause, that is not discovered. To revealing these things, that is called research. And let's see the problem solving. The problem solving, it is a solution in a specific problem. In problem solving, here what happened, the knowledge exists, we already discovered the knowledge exists, we apply this knowledge for challenging situation or a specific problem. Okay, but here you discover a new knowledge, but here the knowledge is already existing. We applying this knowledge for a certain specific problem. So this is called problem solving. Suppose take an example. If this problem solving is quite useful in a nursing diagnosis. Suppose a patient come with dehydrated, or it may be maybe diarrhea patient, or maybe his stroke, but you diagnose that the patient is dehydrated. You know, for dehydration the only one that is the rehydration is the only the mode of action or implementation. So for that we may choose allow the patient to drink plenty of water, or if the patient is not can't take water, cannot drink water, so we can go for the parenteral IV fluid infusion. So already knowledge is exists, but we are applying this situation. So here also some of the steps that is problem solving is carried out. Few of the steps are there. First one, identify and define the problem. Second, analyze the problem. Third, identify the possible solutions. Fourth one, select the appropriate solution, implement the solution, then evaluation. Okay, and this is all the steps that come in problem solving. Next, it is a critical thinking process. Here is not scientific way we are not going, but we are thinking, our rational logical thinking is carried out. Okay, so it is a critical thinking process, and it is a short term. It may be from the few days or a few weeks. It will be takes place. So suppose the patient come for diagnosis, it will maybe take few days, 2-3 days it will pass, then after we confirm, we diagnose the exact cause of the problem. So it's few days to the weeks. It is rigorous and focus on the specific problem. Here rigorous means the strictly, and is strictly carried out, and focus on the specific on particular patient. We are focusing on the same patient or the same individual, not only focusing the same one. So it is a remedial action to the problem, or you are correcting the situation. Remedial means we are correcting the situation. So this is problem solving, which means knowledge is already exist. You have to apply by critical thinking, by the process of critical thinking, that is problem solving. But in research, knowledge you have to reveal, you have to discover the theory or model after long step of research. So this is the difference between research and problem solving. Thank you for watching. Please keep on subscribing.